Could it be one of the sexiest classic cocktails in the world? Today I'm going to make a classic dry martini. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a classic dry martini. I can't believe that I haven't made a dry martini in like 170 videos that we've done already, but I'm kind of glad that I haven't, because today we're going to make it with the Four Pillars olive leaf gin. It is a delicious gin made here in Victoria, in Australia, and they use as part of their botanicals olive leaf. They've got some olive oil in there, and it makes a cracking dry martini. But the first thing that I'm going to do is we really need to chill down our martini glass or our coupette. I'm using a Nicanora today. We like to just chill it down with some liquid nitrogen here at the 18th Amendment bar, because you don't want your martini to go warm. So we're just going to let that across to the side. And the first ingredient that we're going to use is 2 ounces of a gin. This one, of course, is the Four Pillars olive leaf gin. Next up, I'm going to use 20 mils of a dry vermouth. I'm using the Dolan Dry. Now, before you go and comment, yes, I know that a dry martini normally can be 10 mils, 5 mils or so forth. I think that this works really, really well, the botanicals and the flavouring that's also in the vermouth with the olive gin. So technically it's not really like a really bone dry martini, but 15 to 20 mils for me I think is beautiful. I'm not a fan of just discarding the vermouth and getting rid of it and so forth. I take a lot of time making a vermouth to just get rid of it, but that's my opinion. Okay, we're going to add some ice to that. This is a stirred down cocktail. What we're doing now is we're just trying to dilute the cocktail and also chill it down. This normally takes a little while. I'm going to give that a try first, because it's really important that your martini is chilled. Actually, that's really good. All right. This card, as you can see, really nice and cold. So you're actually adding water to your martini as you're diluting. It's in the form of dilution. That's normal. We want to do that, bring that the ABV down a little bit so it's very palatable. Now the guys here at Four Pillars would say add your olives, some nice Sicilian olives to the side and a couple drops of olive oil. I'm going to use some nice Sicilian olives in this. Serve it just the way that we do here at 18th Amendment Bar. Cheers, that is super cold and crisp. Let's give it a try. What I love about this gin is you cannot tell that you're actually drinking straight alcohol. That olive, yeah, it's just coming right through. Being Mediterranean myself, even though I'm Aussie, I was born in Spain, this is right up my alley. I could just have this sitting down with a cheese board with some olives and some chorizo and some salami and so forth. Perfect as a aperitif before dinner, to wake up in the morning, anything. Like, you could drink this any time of day. The key to it though, guys, is make sure that you really do stir that down well, and yeah, just enjoy it. If you want to see my video on how to order a martini like a pro, it's been pretty popular. It's coming up here, the link at the end of the video. Guys, please like, subscribe. I'm not sure if this is available overseas yet for all my viewers around the world. I know that they're rare dries, totally out there. If you see it, go and buy this gin, it's awesome. They aren't sponsoring me, I just really love anything made in my region. Support local. Guys, please like, subscribe, tell me how you make your special martini, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.